All right, welcome back, everyone. It is still Tuesday, November the 10th. Breaking a personal box of 1516 Series 1 for Reinhart in the Breakers.tv/PACA Cards room. This is box, for those of you counting at home, box number 91. Steven Stamkos special. This is box number 91. I just randomly picked one, so we just happened to get 91. There you go. Yeah, Tavares, Tarasenko. I'm sure there's some other 91 out there that isn't quite as good as either of those three that's wondering, what about me? Why am I not getting any love? It's another very packed box. Some of these boxes are really tight. Hopefully that means there's something good in here. Say again? Alright. So yeah, there's a bunch of 91s. I just have a certain one that comes into mind. Alright, good luck, Reinhart. Anything that you're trying to call other than the obvious. We did have a couple of called shots earlier this evening. Young Guns, Brett Kulak. It's a Brett Kulak kind of evening here. High gloss, geez, just kind of swinging for the fence. No pressure. Clear cut superstars. First that we've hit, Patrick Kane. Shining Stars, Marian Hossa. We at least got you on the right team. We got you on a nice Chicago run here. So that maybe is a good sign. Portraits, Parise. They're making us wait on the Young Guns. Young Guns, third of the evening. Just when we thought it was Brett Kulak's night, Max Domi. Now if we can just go on that Colton Parayko run. Canvas, Matt Duchene. Now, is that G's in a good way or G's in a slightly disappointed way? I would assume in a good way. All base, just double check. Yeah, three of them. That's what happens with the two-case mix. Game jersey, Tomas Jurko. Does anybody know, aside from, well, I guess it's kind of hard to say once you get into the groups. I keep forgetting about that. Aside from Waugh, that we know for a fact is truly SP'd. And here we go. It wouldn't be a box break without a little Colton Parayko. Yeah, aside from the Waugh, we don't really know what the other true SPs are from the jersey set. Daniel Sedin, portraits. Yeah, that fits nicely into your big D-Man collection. Crosby, Shining Stars. Checklist. I'm throwing the checklists in for people. Philip Forsberg, canvas. Young Guns, Sergei Kalinin. Seems like we're on the run of the same, like, 10 Young Guns. Base. Emerald Shining Stars Sagan. He heard that he was being slighted here, being the 4th number 91 that was mentioned. Portraits, Tyler Johnson. Young Guns, Emile Poirier. Again, we just have this one little group of guys. It's like all we want to hit. Checklist of 50, and we're hitting the same 10 guys continually. Canvas, Chris Letang. Shining Stars of Evgeny Malkin. Base. Young Guns, Jacob De La Rose. Portraits, Hartman. Last 2 packs. Base. Last pack. Young Guns Canvas to go with your regular Jacob De La Rose. That should be all she wrote. Do the quick recap here. Make sure we got our hits. I don't think that's going to qualify. Start off with the game jersey, Tomas Jurko. Portraits, Parise, Sedin, Daniel, Johnson, Ryan Hartman. Shining Stars, Marian Hossa, Sidney Crosby, Emerald Sagan, Malkin. We have Canvas of Matt Duchene, Philip Forsberg, Chris Letang, and Young Guns De La Rose. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Young Guns. Kulak, Domi, Pareko, Kalinin, Poirier, De La Rose, and finally case hit. Definitely a pretty sharp card. It's like a semi die cut, a half die cut. Clear Cut Superstars, Patrick Kane. So again, thank you very much for the break. Much appreciated, Reinhart. Check us out, PACACardstore.com, Twitter /PACA Card Store, PACA Card Store at Instagram, and breakers.tv /PACA Card Store. Thank you very much for viewing, and good night.